There's a difference between knowing something and experiencing it. You can read about consciousness work. You can follow someone whose message resonates. You can feel the pull of something and keep circling it for months. That's not failure, that's discernment. But at a certain point, the only way to know is to be in the room. I've been sharing a lot lately about what this work actually is. The forest you can't see because you're living in it. The garden that only thrives when it's tended deliberately. The difference between knowing something and letting it land. All of that is real, but none of it is the same as experiencing it firsthand. On April 9th, I'm hosting a free live workshop called Why It Feels Like This. Small group, intimate, completely confidential. Something actually happens in that room. Not information, not a presentation, but the kind of shift that most people have only felt by accident. You'll know within the first few minutes whether this is your kind of room, but you have to be in it to find out. If you've been watching from the edges of this work, reading, resonating, feeling like something here is for you, this is the invitation. Come find out. The link to register is in the description. It's free, it's live, and there's still space. I'll see you April 9th. And if April 9th doesn't work, the Healing the Wanting Masterclass begins April 15th. Same work, 6 weeks, small group. Everything you need is in the description.